But I feel like the things that are meant for us, either it's a relationship, either it's a job, either it's a career, either it's a hobby, if it is for us, it is made for us, it is satisfying within ourselves, then there is no struggle in it. There is a happiness, there is a joy. So if you have to struggle for anything, then honey, it is not for you. So you have to part your ways. In the same way, if the opinion is not making you feel right, just disregard it. Like, keep in mind that it's okay. They don't care about you, it's okay. They don't feel you're good enough, it's okay. They don't feel you're doing right, it's okay. Everything is it's okay until you are okay, until you are satisfied with yourself. The people will not gonna sit by you in any situation. It's the you, it's the only person who will sit by you, who will stand by you any situation. It's the you. So एनर्जेटिकली अपने आप को इतना ड्रेन उन लोगों के लिए मत करें जो आपकी लाइफ का पार्ट ही नहीं है, जो कभी भी आपकी लाइफ में होने ही नहीं वाले, जो आपके अच्छे बुरे के जिम्मेदार नहीं है. यू आर द वन हु इज डूइंग द मिस्टेक्स एंड consequences are there, and you are learning the mistakes, you are paying the price, and you are moving ahead.